What is molecular biology? Well, to answer that, we must first understand what a molecule is. A molecule is made of atoms, which form the basic building blocks for everything that we can see, touch, or breathe. You may not be able to see them, but believe me, they're there. Like water, for example. Water in a glass is made of millions and millions of water molecules, which themselves are made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. The way atoms are attached to one another determines what molecules will look like and how they will act. So, what is molecular biology then? Well, it is the study of what molecules look like and how they act within the many organisms on Earth. Some of the most important of these biomolecules are DNA and proteins. DNA, which you inherit from your parents, provides the recipe or code for all the proteins in your body. Proteins perform tasks and give your body structure. We may not all look like the former governor of California, but we all rely on proteins to survive. One type of protein that is especially important is an enzyme. Enzymes help to make things happen that otherwise wouldn't. Would an unopened soda can ever burst? Probably not. But it is possible for a soda can to burst, right? This is fun. In this case, the hammer is like an enzyme because it helps form a reaction that probably wouldn't have happened without it.
So you know that enzymes play a pivotal role in a bunch of different things, but did you know that each enzyme has a specific function, such as combining proteins into something different? Or breaking things apart. They can also do these tasks at different speeds. And it is because of these differences that we get so much variation from enzyme to enzyme. Here's a fun experiment that you can do at home that will help you to understand how enzyme kinetics work. All you need is some hydrogen peroxide, which you can buy at any grocery store, some delicious liver, it could be beef or chicken, I don't judge, and you need a couple of clear glasses. Pour about 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide into each glass. So take your liver-soaked papers, and go ahead, kind of dry them off a little bit, and then place them inside the hydrogen peroxide. And then you can see that there's a reaction happening, and this is actually hydrogen peroxide is being converted into oxygen and water. So then if you add more strips of paper, you'll actually see that this reaction happens quicker. Let's go ahead and get 3 out this time. You can hear the reaction happening.
And now it's part of the show that we like to call, Why Does This Matter?
Because enzymes are such an important factor in our day-to-day lives, it makes sense to educate ourselves on their inner workings. By learning the ins and outs of enzymes, we allow ourselves to basically let Mother Nature do the work for us, whether it be through the use of microorganisms in computing, or the production of compounds that are just too difficult to make on our own. The study of enzymes and their inner workings in cells are the key to a better future. But you don't have to take my word for it. Check out your local library, or, the internet, for more information on science of biological engineering.